Hello everyone, this is Roseyred Diaz and I'm back again with another video. This video is going to be about what's inside my everyday kit. So this video has been requested and she really forced me to do it and upload it first. Without further ado, let's proceed to the video. That girlish. This is really my first time having a kit. So first thing is this one, cotton rolls. Dugan ni siya dere. Yeah, kita siya makurot. Next thing is my liquid eyeliner. I bought it in Uzamis and it cost 145 pesos. Hand Love liquid eyeliner. This is my Ever Belena concealer stick. I bought this in Uzamis again. My eyebrow pencil. It was given to me by my aunt again. This is the eyebrow pencil and this other side is the concealer pencil. My lipstick. It's color red and this was given to me by my aunt. I have so many lipstick but it's with my lola. She kept all the lipsticks because she also used. Next is Sansan BB cream. What's this? I bought this in Uzamis again. Yeah, all my stuffs are from Uzamis. This is my brow powder, Grace. See, it only has a few colors because I really am not into makeup. And first time did na ako nipapalit. Palit-palit po. Makalimta na to ang comb. Lugar na dyan din ako sa akong bag. It's been almost 4 years in my everyday kit. And it's really cost 50 pesos. Yes. Makalimta na to ang comb. Lugar na dyan din ako sa akong bag. It's been almost 4 years in my everyday kit. And it's really cost 50 pesos. Yes. The sharpener of my eyebrow pencil. Fashion 21. Mura dyan niya akong sharpener sa akong eyebrow. Next is my nail cutter. Look, my nails are already growing and tapulan dyan ko mag nail cutter and we've been together with my nail cutter for almost like 2 years. My clips. Yes, I bought this in Uzamis again. All in my everyday kit. So that will be all for my video. If you want some suggestions, please comment below, and if you want to have any comments about my video, just comment it below. Thank you so much guys for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe my channel and follow me on Instagram and stalk me if you want on Facebook. If you like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. This is Roseyred Diaz checking out. Stay cool. Mr. Bring me down, you like to bring me down, don't you?